Now here you have to factorize it completely using factor theorem. Now sometimes the expression are such which you can find very easy to factorize and you don't apply factor theorem and you don't get any marks. So you have to apply factor theorem. So what is the application? In the previous sum it was given x minus 3 is a factor and you have to prove it. Here you have to get one of the factors. Now how do we get that? To get the factors we do trial and error method. Trial and error, what we do is we try with x equal to 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3 till we get that remainder as 0. Okay? And that will be a rough part of it. Here you don't try. Now just a minute, I start the sum. So the first part fx is this. Now here is a rough column for you. Put x equal to 1. So this becomes 3 plus 2 minus 19 plus 6. Well, that's not 0. Put x equal to minus 1. It will not be 0 again because that's 19. So you are not getting 19. Try with x equal to 2. So this is 3 into 2 is cube plus 2 into 2 is square minus 19 into 2 plus 6. So this is 24 plus 8 minus 38 plus 6. So this is 38 minus 38. That's equal to 0. So we will do it in rough. Okay? To find for what value of x this becomes 0. That's so rough work. All are not in the part of the sum. So for only that value of x for which is 0, you will write it here. So we got for x equal to 2, this is 0. So f2 So we got the remainder 0. So if by putting x equal to 2, remainder is 0, so what does it mean? It means x minus 2 is a factor. So therefore, x minus 2 is a factor. So this is the first part. In the previous sum, this part was given, you have to prove it. Here it is not given, you have to apply the theorem. So you have to get the first part, one of the factors. For the remaining two factors, it's a it's a third degree equation. So there will be 3 factors. So again you divide and get the other factor. So I'm dividing it by honors method, a new one for you. So what we put 2 here, because we are putting x equal to 2. The first we put 0, add it. So 3. Now multiplying 2 with 3 6, add it again. Then multiply again with 8, so 16, adding it 3. Now if you look at this, this is minus 6, 0. So you are not doing any division, you can get straight away. So other factor is 3x square plus 8x minus 3. Okay? So start with this again from here. Then again it's a trinomial. So this is again the 3 factors. Okay? I'll just do one more for you. So again we try with 1. So putting x equal to 1, this is 4 plus 3 minus 28 minus 21. Well, not 0. But here if you put with x equal to minus 1, this is minus 4 plus 3 plus 28 minus 21. So that's you get 24 minus 25 plus 20. Putting x equal to minus 1, minus 4 plus 3 plus 28 minus 1. So 31, still it's not 0. So try with x equal to 2. Well, this is also not equal to 0. Try with x equal to minus 2. Go on to x equal to 3. Now look at this. We tried with 1, we tried with minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3. Well, none of this is coming to 0. Okay? Try with 4, and I think with you, I think 4 will be the maximum limit. So try with 4. Let me check before that once again. So putting x equal to 1, it's 4 plus 3 minus 28 minus 21. So I think what I do is, I change the sum little bit for you to make it easy. I make it plus, and if I make it plus, then by putting x equal to 1, that becomes 0. Okay, you can't do that in the exam, right? I am doing it. I just change the sum. Even if I change the sign of 3x square, you can get early. What I want to convey is, you will try for x equal to 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3. It may go up to 4, but it will not go further because it takes a lot of time. So I did it, I changed the sum here. So putting x equal to 1, It is 4 plus 3 minus 28 plus 21. It is 28 minus 28 is equal to 0. So, since this is 0, x minus 1 is a factor. So, we got one of the factors is the application of factor theorem. Now, divide again. So, division part. It is 4, 3 minus 28, 21. What are we putting? X equal to 1. So, 1. So, that is 4, 1, 4. So, this is 4x square plus 7x minus 21. So, I repeat. So, this is what is the division. You are not dividing. So, those who can divide, fine, you can divide. But this is much easier method, time saving. So, fx now is x minus 1 into 4x square plus 7x minus 21. Factorizing it again,